Hi folks, how are you? So in this video we will just understand how can we get the last date of the month in Kotlin. Okay. So I am just opening the main file. Fine. So basically to get the last date of the month, what we can do is we have the inbuilt function into the Kotlin to update the, for example, suppose we have one date with the year, month, and date, and we can update that date using some input. So that is the first function, and the second task is to get that date, the input date, which is the last date of the month, and pass it to the first function. So basically, so if we write it, get last date of month. Okay, so we'll just pass it as input local date, and after that, as I said, so we will get a month. So steps, first of all, check val is leap year, so we can get is leap year using that boolean variable. So basically this is a function which will check which is a local date function, Java function, which is check if the year is a leap year or not. And as per this logic, if a year is divisible by 4 and 400 and not by 100, so it is a leap year. Fine. So after that, we will just get last date of the month, last date of a month using date dot, we can get a month dot length. Okay, and we need to pass if a year is a leap year or not. So basically this month function will get the month, and this month is a basically enum into the Java with all the months. Okay, and length is a function into the local date. So it will just take a leap year. If it is a leap year, it will send 29, otherwise it will send 28 in case of February. And these are a 30 days month, and apart from that other ones are 31 days. So ठीक है, the last step is return date with the day of the month using last day of the month. That's all. Change return type to this local date. Cool. And this function, using this function, this is of a function which is used to create a local date object, initialize the object. So we are just passing the same month, same year, same month, and the input date, which is the last day of the month. Okay, and after that we can just write down some tests. Val test. So list of local dates dot parse. What date should we take? 2020 is a leap year if I'm not wrong. We will take a third month and 11. Okay. And after that we will also take local date dot parse the same leap year and 02 hyphen 2 02. So it should return the respective values. Last day of a month, just to close this project, last day of month is equal to, it won't parse if you just add a comma. Last date of the month will be, third is a March, right? So it will be 31. And this is a last day of a month will be a 29 if it is a leap year. And We can add the same thing here also. Okay, why it is getting commented out. Add a comma. Okay, and we will just add 20 and 22. 22 is not a leap year. Okay, so we'll just graze over the tests for each. So we have to print ln. Uh, this is input date. Input date will be dollar dot $it and last date of a month. It So we have to call the function get last day of the month and we have to pass it as a parameter, and if you run it, take care, we are running it. Yeah, as we can see, for 11 March it is a 31st March. For leap year, for February month it is 29, and for February into the non-leap year it is 28. And we can just wrap this up into the single line also, because date dot month dot length, we just need to pass if a date is a leap year or not. Matlab year is a leap year or not. That's all. This also should work. Yeah, perfectly fine. Tests are running. चलो ठीक है, bye.